Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In a previous video at the beginning of Ramadan showing a tour of the roof, we said that some of our HVAC units were coming soon. Alhamdulillah, over half of the HVAC units were delivered and installed on the roof a few days ago. This video shows that work in progress. We needed a large crane to lift the units, and here we see the crane arriving on site along with a truck with other needed materials and equipment. The HVAC units provide heating, ventilation, and air conditioning for the building. Installation of these units is one of the key steps towards fulfilling various requirements to be able to start using the new building. Also, ventilation is one of the essential requirements for us to be able to start using the underground parking garage. In the rest of the video, you will see the crane continuing to lift the HVAC units onto the roof and construction workers completing the installation. The next step in the Phase 2 construction is to complete the construction and start using the new building, which is called occupancy. Alhamdulillah that we have reached this stage. This HVAC unit delivery and installation is a big step towards occupancy. The cost to complete construction is only $200 per square foot, and we need 25,000 square feet sponsored. You can donate for yourself, but you can donate for others like your spouse, your parents, your children, or anyone, and you can double your ajr for the same donation. In these last 10 days of Ramadan, please take this opportunity for Sadaqatun Jariyah and donate to complete the construction and start using the new building. Please go to our homepage, masjidfarooq.com, and click the Donate to Complete Construction button and follow the instructions. Or you can e-transfer to our email, admin@masjidfarooq.com. Jazakumullahu khairan for all your support. May Allah reward you and your family with Sadaqatun Jariyah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.